Right. Okay, fourth graders, so now that we've had some practice with adding fractions today, we're going to be doing a quick closing activity to wrap up our lesson, and it's called Your Name in Fractions. So I'm going to do an example for us using my name, Miss Heffernan. So here, I'm just going to write it on the board for us. So, Miss Heffernan. So who can tell me how many letters my whole name has? Riley?
11.
There's 11 letters. So we're going to need to keep that in mind because we're going to be dividing our names into two different groups, and we have to remember that there's 11 letters. So we have to make sure that we know the total number of letters in our name. So first we're going to be picking out how many consonants there are in my name. So we're going to count the consonants. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 consonants in my name, so I'm going to write 8 over 11 letters in my name are consonants. And then we're going to count how many vowels are in my name. So can someone count the number of vowels in my name? Brenna?
3.
3. So then I'm going to write 3 over 11 vowels. Equals, so we're just going to be adding the number of consonants and the number of vowels to get the total number of letters in our name. So what is going to be 8 over 11 plus 3 over 11? Junie?
11 over 11?
Yes, and what can we simplify 11 over 11 to? If you remember from talking about that a little bit earlier. So there's 11 parts out of 11 parts.
1.
1. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to be doing this with our own names. So we have some blank papers in the middle of the table. We have crayons and markers. So using only your first name, I'm a little different because I'm the teacher, but using only your first name, you're going to write your first name, be creative, you can make it a big decorative drawing, and you're going to do the same thing that I just did. You're going to find how many consonants are in your name, how many vowels are in your name, and it's going to be over the total number of letters in your name. So go ahead and get started, and you have 3 minutes to work on this. As you're doing this activity, I want you to be thinking about how this relates to what we learned a few minutes ago in our main lesson. Those are beautiful block letters, Tierney.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Think back to maybe 2nd or 3rd grade when we learned about consonants and vowels. Yes, Tierney?
Is Y a vowel or a consonant?
For this activity, we're going to say it's a consonant.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Riley, did that mess you up?
No.
I forgot about Y though.
Alright, in about 30 more seconds to finish up, and then we're going to talk about how this relates to what we learned. I love all the colors I'm seeing. It's very bright and happy. All right, now who can share with our group How does this relate to what we just learned? You can go ahead and talk out.
We're using fractions.
We're using fractions. What else? What do we do with the fractions?
We had the same denominator.
Yeah, we had the same denominator. That's a great one. Does anyone else have any other?
We had to add the numerator, so
Yeah.
to make it the same as the denominator
Yeah.
to equal 1.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Tierney, do you have anything to add?
No, not
No?
really.
Okay. Well, great job, class. We're done.